Okay, so this is an easy problem from the functions section of the Udemy course that I'm trying. It's basically reverse a string, and the whole point is to use a function to return a reverse string. It's quite self-explanatory in that way. So the function signature is string, reverse string, const string, reference string, and basically what we're going to ask the user to do is input their str, input their string, and then this function will return whatever the reverse of it is. We're basically printing it backwards in layman's terms. So let's take an input in main. So we've got the user to input their string. One thing is we're not going to be changing the content of the string itself. It's going to remain as it is, which is why in our signature we're going to have a const reference string. So we're not going to try and change the content of it. So const string reference str. The first thing we're going to need is we've got a string function, so we're definitely going to need a string result. So I'm going to start with just an empty string called result, and then to iterate more simply, I'm going to take a variable int size sz equals str.size, and then we're going to work from, basically iterate from the back character, the last character of the string, excluding our null character, and add it or concatenate it to our empty result string. So for I equals 0, I is less than sz, I plus plus, result plus or equals, and this may be the toughest part of this, just putting in this correctly. It's result plus or equals string sz minus I minus 1. That takes the final character from our string and we'll add it to the front of our result, and then we're returning the result after that. So let's see if this is working. We'll use something rather unimaginative to test it. Reverse. Looks like it works a treat.